The periods through which man has lived. The periods through which man has lived. The periods through which man lived can be divided broadly into two, which are the Stone Ages and the Iron Ages. We are going to look at the Stone Ages, then later we'll look at the Iron Ages as well. So today we'll speak about the Stone Ages in general. Then in my next video, I'm going to talk about the Stone Ages in details. Then in the next video, I'm going to talk about the Iron Age. So let's go ahead and begin. The Stone Ages. The term Stone Age is used to describe a period of human evolution where stone was used to make tools. The Stone Age started around 2.5 to 2 million years ago, when early humans first produced the first stone tools in East Africa. It ended with the development of agriculture, the domestication of certain animals such as sheep, goats, and cows, and the smelting of copper ore to produce metal. The use of tools by early man was a sign of intelligence. Evolution scientists believe that the use of tools by early man may have caused the expansion of the human brain. The oldest known tools are the Odoan stone tools from Ethiopia, which are 2.5 to 2.6 million years old. So now we can just take a look at the tools that man used during the Stone Ages. We can see the pebble tools, we can see the axes that man used, and then now we can also see the Odoan stone tools that we are talking about. The Stone Age is further divided into three stages. The Stone Age is further divided into three stages. These stages are: number 1, the early Stone Age; number 2, the middle Stone Age; and thirdly, the late Stone Age. For today we are going to end here, but look out for my next video where we are going to talk about the three stages of the stone tools. Yeah.